Hey guys, it is Glamorous Marana here. If you're new to my channel and this is the first time you see my face, come on and click and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to make money, especially as the summer is approaching. We need some moolah, we need some money, so I hope this should help you. Number one ways you can make money is you can babysit, sell your old clothes, like whatever thing you go around the house and you don't need anymore, not things your parents still need and you just go ahead and sell it, but things you do not need anymore. Or you can ask your parents like, hey, do you need this? And they can say, no, I don't need that. You can sell them. You can bake or cook. You can make cookies, you can make cupcakes, you know, anything with pertaining to baking, and you see that you can do it. If you hear like a noise in the background, that's a car. You can mow the lawn. Like put like posters around in your neighborhood and say, hey, do you want me to mow your lawn? I'll give you this fee, I'll give you that fee. And you can shovel snow from your neighborhood. If you live in a cold place or something, you can rake the leaves, and you can walk your neighbor's dog. That's the most popular one is you can walk your neighbor dog and they'll give you money to do that. And you can house it if somebody going away and they need you to house it for them. You can go ahead and house it. You know, you can do chores for your parents, ask them like what they want you to do. You can do online surveys and everything. And also you can I just want to say you could also do craft. Yeah, you can also do jewelry craft, all kind of crafts you can do, because a lot of people be looking for craft, art and craft. You can buy stuff online and sell to other people. That is a great way on, you know, making some money. So hope you guys, one way is sometimes people would like you to organize their closet, clean up their closet and everything. You can do flyers and say, hey, anyone want me to clean up the closet, you know, clean out your pantry or what's not. There's a lot of things that we can do to make some moolah. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope these help you on ways you can make some money for the summer. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us, and we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer,